Today I'm visiting Mobus Parts Australia. Now Mobus is an organisation that is responsible for managing the supply chain of parts for car manufacturers Hyundai and Kia. Around 600 parts are being picked every hour. Now that means there's between 6,000 and 7,000 parts leaving this warehouse every day. With the fast-paced world we live in, the pressures on such a warehouse to get products out the door quickly, efficiently and accurately is very, very important. So here at Mobus, they're employing technology to help them make sure the customers stay happy. No, I haven't transformed into the Bionic Man. What I have here is the Zebra WT6000 mobile computer that the staff are using here to help them pick and pack and dispatch goods. Now, the WT6000 is also paired with a Zebra barcode scanner. It's a ring scanner that just clicks onto my finger nice and easily. The WT6000 is a wearable device, so the staff here at Mobus can operate hands-free. No more grabbing a gun, putting it down, picking goods, picking it back up and working with it. It's all on the wrist here. And of course with the ring scanner, that also helps the solution when it comes to barcode scanning. Now, the WT6000 has a lot of great features. Now, let's just take a look at the screen. First of all, it's a multi-touch projective capacitive touch screen. Now what that means is it's going to last a long time, but it also means that you can get a bit more creative with your interface like modern touch-enabled devices can do. So it becomes very intuitive for your staff. Now it has a very long battery life. It also has some programmable soft keys that can automate multiple keystrokes if required. It has a really great strap mechanism that easily adjusted to suit different wrists, and it really fits snugly. The WT6000 opens new ways in which staff in a warehouse can interact with the device. And what I'm talking about is voice-enabled applications. All you need is a headset. It can be a Bluetooth headset that can pair with the WT6000. And then, because Mobus here are using the Avanti solution, they can add the Avanti Speak Easy application, which will allow them to add voice where voice makes sense. So now the device will talk to the operator and the operator can talk back to the device, so no touching of the screen at all. Joining me is Darren Bowley, the Warehouse Operations Manager here at Mobus. Darren, thanks for joining me.
Thank you for coming along.
Well, here at Mobus, you've got a very busy operation. What role are mobile devices playing in the management of your processes?
They actually manage just about every process in the business, in the warehouse that is. We run from receiving to outbound, every item we can follow through the business. Being in car parts, it's quite important we actually get these parts through the door, through different runs throughout the day. Therefore, we need full transparency. So we're running quite an high-level scanning system currently.
You've chosen to work with the Zebra WT6000 wearable device. Why have you chosen that style of device versus a more traditional gun or handheld mobile computer?
Yep, we're working in car parts, so they're very large items. So we wanted a solution where our staff are hands-free, so they could actually pick these items up and not put their scanners down as such. We had an issue with damage in the past. Therefore, since we've used these wearable devices, it's reduced our damage.
How important was it for you to migrate to Android?
Well, it's going to happen to all of us. So we got Skywire on board and actually asked them for a longer term solution. Android was the direction we were all going to. So they came up with a WT6000 and they showed us that device, which was a big update on our previous device, and the screen, the font sizes, the flexibility of the device seems to fit in with our future plans.
Where do you hope to take the Zebra mobile solution in the future?
Now that we're on an Android platform, we want to use the Avanti solution we've put in place. Therefore, we had a longer term planning where we will go to a Bluetooth fingering scanner and eventually go to voice picking. It seems to fit in with our future plans and our current WMS.
Utilising the Avanti Velocity solution here at Mobus meant that over 500 screens could be modernised to allow for a more intuitive Android-based solution. Now what this means is that the staff can be trained quicker, they can be more accurate in their use of the application on a day-to-day basis, and what this all means is more speed, more accuracy and more productivity. In true Zebra fashion, the WT6000 is a rugged device. It is dustproof, it is spray-proof, it can handle sub-zero temperatures, and it's been proven to withstand over 1,000 tumbles. The WT6000 only weighs around 245 grams with the standard battery in it. Now that means you can wear this all day. I've had it on for a while now and I really can't feel it. It almost becomes part of your body. I've really enjoyed my visit here at Mobus, especially seeing their automation solutions that incorporate the Zebra WT6000 wearable device. Now you can find out more about that device by visiting zebra.com.